repurposing this for a piece of furniture, and it's solid cherry wood and it's really smooth. So the only part I was concentrating on to repurpose the furniture is the the middle and the bottom shelf that I replaced, because it used to be 2 drawers and the drawers broke, so I figured I'll repurpose it by adding 2 shelves. So that's what I did, and now I'm going to be adding the back of it, and I'm going to put a wallpaper that's the color of wood, and so that's what's going to go in the back to cover it. This is what the wallpaper looks like, and this is going to be the backdrop of that multi-purpose furniture that I just stained the bottom shelves, the 2 bottom shelves. So this is the wallpaper that I stick on the back part, and this will be the backdrop of the very back of that furniture. So, and I'm short a little bit of the wallpaper, so I'm gonna go get some more, and I will install it and show you how it looks like. Hello, so here it is. That's the backdrop of this multi-purpose furniture that I did. I varnished the 2 bottom shelves. It used to be a drawer like I mentioned earlier, and I varnished the 2 shelves, and I used wallpaper for the backdrop in the back. So that's what I did, and that's how it looks now. And so I put some little decorations here and there just for you to get an idea. And it also has like a discreet drawer, which is, let me show you, it's the top, and that's the drawer. And so it's in pretty good condition, and when you're finished with the drawer you can just push it in, and that's how it looks. And then I put a little decoration. So that's it for this project. It's all finished. That's how it looks, the ending of my project. And again, you can do whatever you want when you do it yourself. If the drawers are broken, you can convert them into shelves. And thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so to see my other videos, and click the like button. Thank you. See you next time.